Good morning, my name is Crop Queen and today I like to show you a prize I won on Instagram. And yeah, I normally do not apply on giveaways many times, only if I really like what you can win. So who doesn't? And this artist, I can call it an artist because she is amazing. I watched quite a few videos of her and I absolutely adore her style of art, her way of crafting, and she's amazing. And she's Polish and she's from Ireland and her name is Marta. Perhaps some of you know already who I am talking about. And so yeah, I absolutely loved her style and her way of doing her videos, and yeah, she is quite of a little inspiration for myself too. And so what she did, she created her own collection of papers, and when I saw it, I absolutely fell in love with it. So when I saw a giveaway, I thought, well, why not apply? So, and I won. Oh my gosh, I won. Oh my gosh, I never could have thought of that I could win, but yes, I did. And so I got it this weekend, and I want to show you what I won. So let me show you. Alright, so let me first go to the papers. Now let me tell you first who it is. So it's maremismallart. Her real name is Marta Lapkowska. Okay, that's the name of her website too, and her YouTube channel. And her YouTube, this is the name of, oh my god, can I tell? I think I have there in smaller one, but I will put the links below this video. I absolutely love it. So there are 36 sheets in it, 22 unique designs, Art Technique paper set, and she created these herself. So I am just going to flip through for you guys. So look at this. I also love the quality of the paper. It's a little shiny, a little, you can see that, a little glossy, not much, just a little. That shows how nice quality papers it is. And I really like it. It's so cool. I think she made all these papers herself. I do not know exactly, but I absolutely love it. I love the colors, I love the design, I love the vintage look. Oh my gosh, I so love it. So that's why I applied the giveaway. Look at this, nice. If you are doing some mixed media, then you don't have to do anything about this. You can perfectly use this as a background, but also you can use it in a scrapbook, or what I normally do, mini albums, a junk journal. You can do so lots and lots of things about. I love this. It's so cool. I really like the watercolor splashes and the watercolor flowers and the stencil backgrounds. Awesome! And the dark ones and the lighter ones. I like butterflies. I like vintage look. So yeah, when I saw it, I thought, wow, that is me. Yes. I think I already have something in mind that I want to do with all these nice papers. And the nice thing about this paper set is, and I already saw it, I'm going to be on that part in just a second so I can tell you. Yes, I am now. So you can see this comes back. So you have, for each one of these, you have one paper, one design, but you also have thinner one, and it's not see-through, it isn't, but it's really light paper. So can you imagine? Yeah, it's not, I think you can use this kind of as a tissue way, but it's thicker than just tissue paper. But I really like it. It's awesome. It's nice to fold, it's nice to use on a background. I like it. Really cool. So yeah, so all these designs are the same, but then thinner paper. Really cool. Then what else is in here? You can cut out all these elements. So you have a nice steampunk page, and you have these nice light flowers, and then these color flowers. I really like watercolor flowers. Ooh, and you have some butterflies and some blue gray ones. How nice is this to cut these all out? Nice leaves. Perfect. Ooh, these are also very nice. And again, some butterflies. Oh, and that's the end. Alright, so now I saw her video, and the idea of that is really amazing. What she did in a video is she was telling that the background of this piece, well, the other pieces too, she specially made all words, all lines in different letters, in different shapes. So you can still use all these words. I saw that she did that. That say there is a magic that happens within our souls every time we create. So you can cut this out and still can use it. Especially this one. There is no right or why to make art. There is no good or bad art either. So yeah, you can use that. So I really like that she did that too. So this is a picture of her. Love it. It's amazing. Maremismallart, designed by Marta Lapkowska. Cool. And this is not very good to see. www.maremismallart.com. So that's the website, but I will put the link below. Now what else got in the package? These beautiful wooden, and you still can every background, of course. Let's open this up. Let's see. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Wow, so much in it. I really get into these little wooden things. I do not use that a lot, but I want to. I want to use these more. Absolutely stunning. So cool. So let's put this back. Alright, so that was in it too. Cool. Then I really love this one. This is absolutely amazing. A full set of stickers. Yeah, look at this. Let go of yesterday. Fight for your dreams. Fight for, and then some are the same, but then in another shape of word, letter thing. And then the bigger ones. Enjoy, kindness. Absolutely amazing. And she used the background. So, and look at this nice quality. So cool. Absolutely stunning. Be yourself, be the brightest light. A dream is where it all begins. Love, smiling again. And you still can use the backgrounds and the words if you like. So cool. So So there are a lot of stickers in it, which I love. Oh, that's hard to get back in, but let me do that off camera. So that was in it. And then there are extra cutouts, but then in an A5 shape. So I think these are all the same as in the bigger paper set, but then slightly smaller. So that's cool. So lots and lots of things to cut out. So cool. Thank you, Martha. No, thank you. Happy birthday with love. It's up to you to see the beauty of everyday things. Happy birthday, cool. So you can use these too. So I absolutely love it. It's stunning, stunning, stunning. Thank you so much, Martha, that I won your prize. I am blessed. I am so blessed. So if you want to check out all these nice goodies, please check out the website. I will put a link below and check it out. So thank you for watching. Thank you, Martha, for sending me my prize. I absolutely love it. Alright, so bye bye.